Hello everyone, how are you doing? Everything is so far so good. We are live. Thank you so much for your time. As usual, I hope you have a great day. I came back today for my serious videos about how you're gonna change your life doing for yourself instead of working for someone until you come 65 years old. Then you become retired with zero income. And instead of that, you have to work for yourself. That's why I'm here today. Another additional work for you guys. How's your day? I hope you have a great day, sunny day today. That I would like to continue as I usually do to post my previous videos, how you can change your life doing for yourself instead of working for someone until you become 65 years retired with zero retirement. So if you work for yourself, you're gonna change your life. You have to find another new ways. Nowadays, as I used to say, having a multi-income stream, it is not a luxury, it is a right, because it is bills expensive nowadays. Is one single income stream, it is not enough to pay for your groceries, rents, for your cars, gas, you name it, for all your expenses. Having a good another income stream, it is to be, it's a very crucial, it's very important for us. We have to do something else for ourselves as we can. So we have to do for ourselves as we can. That is what I'm saying today. So while you are looking for full-time income or to earn some extra income on the side, there are plenty of ways to earn money while you are taking care for your kids, for your comfortable home. In general, home-based job offer flexibility to your own schedule, because you will have free time for your loved one while earn money. That's why it's very important. That is why doing your digital business jobs, it is very important for your life to be by financial freedom, time freedom. It's no doubt. We have to change our mindset in general. So you are not alone. You will have a mentor, coach, will help you 24/7 if you get stuck. You don't need experience. Everything is ready for you. Just follow the instructions step by step, then copy and paste. That's it. So if you have 90-minute free workshop, I will write down for you a website. So write your name, your email, join us, and you will see amazing program, amazing family who have been changed their life, who were like you and I. Now they became financial freedom, time freedom. They can go anywhere. They don't have any financial problem. They don't have their time freedom problems. They can go anywhere. They can do anywhere. If you go on vacation, you can do wire your Wi-Fi and internet connection. If you have laptop from your phone, from your computer, you can do for yourself anywhere. So don't limit your energies. As I used to say, you have a limitless potential energy. You have to change mindset. If you are ready to change your life, I'm here to help you. Take massive action. I will write down a website under descriptions. As I used to say, please help yourself. Do a favor for yourself. You will thank me later. I appreciate for your time. Thank you. You have a great day. Wonderful. See you soon. Bye for now.